Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is in an uptrend. I still think it is most likely going to continue up on the monthly time frame, eventually taking out these highs, eventually making its way all the way up to one of these Fibonacci extended levels. And if you do zoom out on the monthly, to me, it looks like an expanding flat wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still believe this first close up is a 1. I still think this looks like an expanding flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat wave 2. I think there's a very good likelihood this move up is a wave 1. I still am hoping that this move down is a wave 2. And I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is going to go up and make a wave 3, 4, and 5, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the 1 day time frame. On the 1 day time frame, I mean, this move down does look like a trend, which does kind of make you wonder if it is possibly a wave A, but I still think that is at least the most least likely scenario. To me, it still looks like a 1. It took out the lower wave forward, bounced out to 61.8, just like a wave 2 should. I think that there is a very good likelihood that over the coming weeks and months that this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think that this first move up is very, very clearly a trend. I'm thinking that it most likely is a wave 1. This looks like impulsive down wave A, corrective up wave B, and it kind of looks like an ending diagonal for a wave C. It did kind of miss the fib level a little bit, but I mean, that does happen sometimes. It looks like the complete correction. It looks like it should be a complete wave 2. Now, I'm not really convinced that it's going up now. It kind of seems to me more likely that it may go down a little bit. It is non-farm payroll this week, and I think this week is going to be kind of rangy leading up to the news. But most likely, I think eventually it is going to keep on going up for that wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I was mentioning in last night's PM video, I mean, I have a Fibonacci retracement on here. To me, this move down looks a little too much like a trend. I think may end up being a wave A, and this actually could end up being a wave B, and it may actually go down and make a wave C, which this ABC correction will probably be a correction to this whole move up. Maybe this is like a wave 1, and this is going to make a wave 2 throughout the week, and then maybe towards the end of the week for maybe non-farm payroll is when it will end a wave 3 and end up continuing the uptrend. But either way, I'm definitely looking for longs. And like I always say, sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending up. So, I mean, definitely be careful, especially if you're trying to go short. It may just keep on trending up from here, especially if this really is a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.